You probably remember my red flower. It was here. Now I have two. How did that happen? Well, first I go to edit and I go to undo, and it's gone. That's good. What I have done is to go to the stamp cloning tool. It's a very nice tool, because if I move into the picture here, I can choose whatever I want to copy. And I have a new set of tools up here. I can choose how big should my cloning tool be, the hardness, and the alternatives you've seen before. So I'm pleased with this, so I just use this one. When I'm going to copy this flower now, I just hold the cursor over the corner of the flower, and I hold down Control, left click, and this is where I would start to draw a new flower. I just move the cursor over here, left click, hold down. At the same time on the flower you can see where my cursor is. So I can, when I'm looking at the right flower, not what I'm drawing actually, but on the right flower, I can see that I get the shape of the flower first, the outlines of the flower like this, and then I look at the flower on the left and I start to fill in the color like this. And as you can see, it's exactly like the first one. It's a clone. If I want to have the stem, then I will have to reduce the size of this one. It's easy. Up here, and I write in maybe 2 and see what happens. I just click here on the stem, hold down Control, click again here, move over to this flower, and when I start drawing I will have to look on the right flower because I want to see that my cursor is over the stem on the right flower. And you can see it's very, very tiny. I have to make it bigger. Maybe so. First I can just undo this one, and we go to the brush and I make it maybe 8 just to see what happens. And I want it to be fixed as well. It was halved again. I go up to, I can try with 6 and see what happens. I go over to the flower like here, just remove the tools box, hold down Control, left click, move the cursor over here, and then I will start drawing. But again I look on the flower on the right, because when I click I can see what I'm going to clone. And now I follow this stem down here, and it seems that it's really working. I can get the leaves here as well. So in a way I managed to produce 2 flowers.